Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a 4-ingredient blackberry ice cream. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we take 500 grams of fresh blackberries, add them to a saucepan, then we're going to add 3 tablespoonfuls of caster sugar and 2 tablespoonfuls of water. Now we're just going to give that a stir around. We'll let that cook on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, as you can see, the fruit is softened and all the juice has started to come out. So now we're going to tip the cooked fruit into a sieve just over a bowl, and we're going to push with pulp down just until we get all the juices out. Now as you can see, our fruit is dried up. Just set that to the side. You can use it for making something else. Now that we have our juice, we're going to take it, and to that then we're going to add 1 tin of condensed milk. Now we'll just give that a good mix round. So folks, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It does help that I can make further videos for you. So now that our blackberry and condensed milk cream is mixed up, we're just going to set that to the side while we get some cream ready. So we take 500 milliliters of whipping cream, we put it into a bowl, and we're going to whisk it until it's got soft peaks. Now we're just going to take the cool blackberry mixture from earlier, and we're going to pour it into the whipped cream. And we're just going to stir that well until it's combined. Now once our mixture is combined, we're just going to take it and we're going to pour it into a freezer proof container, and we'll just pop it in the freezer for 2 hours. So now after 2 hours, we're just going to take our mixture out. We'll give it a good stir around just to break up any ice crystals that may have formed in it. Now we'll pop the lid on, back into the freezer for at least another 2 hours until it's time to serve. Now I like to serve mine with some warm rhubarb or apple tart, but you can have yours with just some fresh fruit. So folks, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.